Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lonnie if you're new, and if you've been here before, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of another black owned brand, Mr. Brandon Blackwood himself. I am so excited to finally have got my hands on not one but two Brandon Blackwood bags. As y'all know, in previous videos I have unboxed and did reviews on Telfar, and from buying Telfar, I'm just like, I want to keep supporting black owned businesses, black owned brands, and these brands are bombs. Like, these black men are doing a great job with these bags, so I was just so excited to be able to get my hands on two. So if you want to see me unbox these Brandon Blackwood bags, please stay tuned. So Brandon Blackwood, he dropped his fall collection on October 28th, and I was so excited because the looks of these bags was giving the girls everything that they needed. Like, he was not playing any games. Every style, every color, everything just looked bomb. It was given, like, everything. I was just so excited. So I was able to get my hands on two. So I have two Brandon Blackwood things. So I have a regular size Kendrick and a mini Kendrick. So let me tell you a little about my experience ordering from the Brandon Blackwood site. So I ordered the day of the launch on the October 28th, and you know, I picked the bags that I wanted, checked out, boom. But it was not as chaotic as Telfar when it's like you're racing for these bags. Although some did sell out quick, there was still enough bags on there in different, you know, styles that I feel like everyone was able to secure a bag. You know, unlike, you know, with Telfar, it's kind of like if you're not on there on the first few minutes, like, everything is gone. So I really did like that about the Brandon Blackwood website. Like, the quantity of bags, I feel like he had a lot, so a lot of people was able to at least get them one bag, so that was the plus. So I ordered my bags and everything was all good until I got my shipping confirmation, and I noticed that my mini Kendrick, the color that I had previously ordered, had changed. So I'm gonna put my email confirmation up here from when I first placed the order, just letting them know that, like, you know, they confirmed my order and all that stuff. And so this is the email that I got, and it shows the color of the bags that I got. So here on this side is the actual shipping notice, and as you can see, for the mini, those are two different colors. So when I saw that, I was like, oh, like, what's going on? That is not the bag that I selected. So like, at this point, I'm just like, I don't know if this is just, you know, like a system error and it's just showing the wrong bag, but I'm still gonna get the bag that I wanted. So immediately when I saw, you know, the color was wrong, I sent an email to customer service, because I'm like, I need to make sure I'm getting the bag that I paid for. So I sent the email to customer service, and the young lady, she did confirm that, you know, you were going to have the right color bag. Like, she restated the color from the one that I chose and was like, you know, that's what's in your order. When I got my bags, and normally, like, I did not want to open these until I got on camera, but for this I had to, because I just wanted to make sure that, you know, it was the color. So I opened up my little Kendrick, and it is not the color that I chose, but the one that was in the shipping confirmation email. So I was mad. I'm not even gonna lie, I was upset, because, you know, I confirmed with them to make sure they were sending me the right bag, and still didn't send me the right bag. So, you know, they told me, you know, I can return it and things like that. And although, you know, I was going to return it, when I went back on the site, y'all, the bag was nowhere on the site. Like, they removed the bag. So I don't know if that color was not supposed to have been on the site, or I really don't know, but it was gone when I went back on there to try to, you know, tell them that was the one that I wanted. And so it was just, I was over it at that point. So I decided to just stick with the color that they sent me. It's still cute, but it's just not the one that I wanted. So now that we got that out the way, let's get into the unboxing of these bags. This is the box. Honestly, I must say I really like how he puts the bags in these boxes. Like, the packaging for me, this is nice. Even though I'm not big on packaging. Like, you can send it in a brown box and I'll be cool with that, but this is nice. It's real sleek. I really like this. This is nice. It comes with the card. Oh, this is nice. Like a personalized little note for each bag. That is nice. And they come in a duster. And the duster has Brandon Blackwood, New York on it. Okay. So here she is. This is the black shearling Kendrick trunk. She is so pretty. This is so cute. So let me grab some scissors because I'm gonna have to cut that off. So I took the tape off of the handle. So it says Brandon Blackwood right here, but you know the shearling is kind of covered it up a little bit. But this bag is so cute, and I don't have a all black bag and I really needed one. And when I saw this, I was like, I had to have it because it's not just a plain basic black bag. Like, the shearling gives it character, and the hardware and things like that. This bag is so cute. I can wear it with so many things, and I cannot wait to style this bag. It's going to be so nice. So let me open it up for you all. Okay, so this is the inside of it, and this is the strap for it. So there aren't any pockets or anything in here, but it's enough space, and I can put my phone in there. So as long as my phone can fit in there, that's, you know, that's a plus. So this is just so cute. Like, I'm so happy I got this one because I can definitely wear this with so much stuff. This is going to be so cute, especially like if I'm doing like something just all black. This is just going to be, it's gonna set it off. Okay, like, I really love this one, and I'm glad I got this one. Okay, now for the next one, and this is the one that I told y'all that they did not send me the right color. However, I'm gonna keep it because the color is still cute. It's just not the color that I ordered, but I can live with it. So this is the box for the little one. It's cute. It's making it a little dark. So like I said, it's cute and I like it. So let's do unboxing for this one. Like, once again, it still has the card. A little duster. And so before I even open this, I think you all can tell this one is tiny and your phone would not fit in this. Like, I didn't even try to put my phone in there, but just by looking at it, I know my phone would not fit. Okay, this is, look how cute this is, y'all. So cute. This is so cute. So although they did not send me the right color, it was still so cute that, like, I decided I'm just gonna keep it because it wasn't bad. And I can do a lot with this color. I feel like just when I need a pop of color, this would be nice. But I'm definitely still want to try to be on the lookout for that fuchsia one that I ordered. Tape off. But she is so cute. Let me open it. And this one comes with a strap as well, and this is the space. Like, it's small. Like, I can probably put like a card holder. Yeah, see, my phone is not fitting in there, but that's okay. I will hold my phone in my hand. But it is so cute. So for the mini Kendrick, it's not much you can fit in there. You can probably do like a card holder, your keys, lip gloss. I don't even think a makeup brush can probably, unless it's like a mini brush, can fit in here. But you can probably put a few items like to touch up your makeup. But brushes, I don't think, like I said, unless it's a mini brush that can fit in here. But y'all, these are so cute. These are so cute. Like, I'm so happy I was able to get my hand on some, and not just one. I was able to get two for my first time ever trying to the site, so I am happy about that. But like, Brandon Blackwood, you did not disappoint. These bags are so cute, and every bag that I saw on the site that he had for his collection, all of them were cute. They were unique. You didn't see them for like, it was nothing like you saw anywhere else. I feel like it was everything. And for this one, the shearling one, I just wish I can fix the shearling so I can actually see, you know, the Brandon Blackwood label. But it's still, even without seeing it, it's so cute. So I really love it, and I think I will be making another purchase from Brandon Blackwood, despite them not sending the color that I originally asked for. But you know, I think it was just an error that color wasn't even on the release, but it was just sent there. But I'm still happy with both of these colors, and I can't wait to style them and post pictures on Instagram. So if you're not already following me on Instagram, I'll leave my name right here. Also TikTok, they'll be in the description bar, and yeah, Twitter, all that. All my little social media handles be down in the description box. So if you like this video, please let me know. Make sure you like it, comment, and turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified when I post more videos. And also, if you want to see more unboxing videos, let me know, because I'm going to be buying a lot of stuff in the next month, because you know, Christmas as well as my 28th birthday will be on December 27th. So I will be having so much stuff that I can unbox and share with you all. Also, I'm thinking about doing a holiday gift idea video. So if you all want to see that, just let me know in the comments. And again, thank you all for watching my video, liking, commenting. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.